To perform the following operation, we're going to begin by rationalizing the denominator, which means we're going to multiply it by 3 minus 2, the square root of 6, on both the numerator and the denominator. And this is going to enable us to get rid of the radical in the denominator. So we're going to begin by multiplying our numerators. So we're going to multiply 7 by 3 first. Minus 7 times 2 to the square root of 6 minus 3 multiplied by 2 square root of 6 plus negative 2 multiplied by the square root of 6 squared. And on the bottom, 3 times 3 is going to give us our 9. And then we're going to have minus 6 the square root of 6 plus 6 the square root of 6 minus 2 multiplied by the square root of 6 squared. So these two are going to cancel out, and that's going to get rid of our denominator on the bottom. So we're left with 21 minus 14 square root of 6 minus 6 multiplied by the square root of 6 plus 24 over 9 minus, and 2 to the square root of 6 squared would be 4 times 6, which would give us a negative 24. So in our numerator, we're going to have 45 minus 20 and the square root of 6 over 9 minus 24, which is negative 15. So our final answer, we do have some commonality here. The 45 and the 15 can be reduced. So if we take out a 5, then we have 9 minus 4 multiplied by the square root of 6, and that will be divided by 15. And we can reduce that further. If we take the 5 into 15, that will give us 3. So our final answer will be negative 9 minus 4 multiplied by the square root of 6 over 3.